Hello, everyone. In conventional milling equipment, it usually allows one computer to control only one machine or up to 4 machines at the same time. This limitation creates problems for mass production and efficient management. Users may face the following problems. 1. Management complexity. When the amount of device increase, more computers are required to manage them simultaneously, increasing the complexity of operations and the risk of errors. 2. Inefficiency. Every time you switch devices or perform operations, it takes a lot of time and reduces productivity. 3. Increased costs. Purchasing multiple computers to meet equipment management needs increases your organization's operating costs. P55D provides leading multi-machine control function. One computer can control multiple processing machines at the same time, breaking the limitations of competing products in the market. This feature not only greatly simplifies the equipment management process, but also increases productivity and reduces additional hardware costs. Whether it is a small laboratory or a large-scale machining center, you can easily operate multiple devices through a single computer and easily achieve efficient management. 1. Connecting equipment. Users can connect multiple milling machines within the same LAN by automatically recognizing them through the computer's UP3D system. 2. Switching and operation. In the system interface, users can easily switch to any one device for operation and monitoring. Meanwhile, the status information of multiple devices can be displayed in real time in the same interface for easy management. P55D provides users with unprecedented convenience and flexibility to maintain an efficient equipment management process in a complex production environment. That's the end of this video. Feel free to follow UP3D on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our official YouTube channel, UP3D Tech. More dental tips we'll share with you. If you're interested in the P55D or have any questions, you can contact us via email at info@up3dtech.com.